Oh, you tricked me into making a porno.
Okay. Alright. We doing this. We're loosey goosey.
Bring it on.
Bring it on, motherfucker.
Bring it on, goose.
What's up, guys? It's Amber.
And Sjoerd.
And we are here because it is his first time ever going to a strip club.
That's a lie.
What?
So I told you, I've been to the strip club twice.
To what?
But that wasn't a proper experience. Not like a Vegas club, like not like the American strip club, right?
Okay.
So my
fair
first
enough.
time in a strip club, funny, I'm from Amsterdam, and like there's some strip clubs there, you know, but it's different. It's more like a little show or something, but like there's like 100 people watching, so it's really like kind of sleazy, dark, not really your typical like, I don't know, it never really made me want to go to one, you know, like growing up there. So like the first time for me was in Australia, in Sydney, and also again same story, really sleazy place. Like there weren't really girls walking around like you know, talking to people. Like what you told me is completely different from my experiences before. So in that sense, yes, it's my first time in America, first time going to a proper actual club that's not like fucking low rank fucking, I don't know, it was just very cheap to get in as well, you know, so like you could just get anyone in there, and it was just like way too many men all watching like one average looking, I don't know.
So I guess technically it's his first time going
I
to
feel
a
like it
classy strip club.
Yes.
A Vegas strip club. And for those of you who don't know, I'm a stripper, and we've been together literally like 4 years now.
Haven't seen your work yet.
And he hasn't seen me work yet, and I'm super excited. Like, I don't know why, like I'm always in my stripper heels, dancing around my house. I've got a stripper pole at home. So
I got a stripper at home. I don't need to go to the club. Okay, so this is the first time.
That's true. But when I'm at work, in my element, like on a fucking stage, like the stage is like, I don't know, this much off the floor, looking at everyone like they're fucking peasants.
It's crazy that I haven't seen your work yet, honestly. It's
It really
so
is.
crazy. It's so crazy. It's just because like you take the car. How am I gonna get there?
And it's funny because I'm in Vegas right now, and literally he had to fly to get here. So it's like we're putting in work to make it happen. But are you nervous? Like, how do you feel about to go to a strip club?
Well, I felt more nervous for this video, but like, I guess I feel. I mean, we talked about it, so I am feeling nervous somehow, you know. But that's just because like I've heard that like Vegas clubs are just more overwhelming. You know, a lot of girls. You know, like everybody wants to talk to you, and it's like, do I really feel ready for that? Like I'm going by myself, you know, so it's different. Also, like not going like with a group of friends. I'm sure it's different as well. You're just like in the comfort of having your friends around you, you know.
I already gave him the whole rundown of like how a strip club works and what are the rules, and like I don't know, like I know at first he was saying like, I don't know, am I allowed to touch them, like what are the rules with
I have
that?
no idea, you know. Yeah.
Please just do not shove your fingers in anyone's pussy, like number one rule.
Yeah, that will get you beaten up in the alley.
Kicked with like a 6-inch heel.
Exactly. Yeah. Don't do that. Noted.
So for your first time at a strip club,
Yes.
I'm giving you a booty budget. A booty budget of $1, $2, $300 to spend on hot women. Happy birthday. It's really not his birthday, but
cash going
hard-earned
straight back
cash.
to the club.
You know, I always believe in giving back to the economy, so I gotta get back to my girls.
Nice. Like, so I'm gonna walk into the club with a stack like this. Fucking dope.
Yep. Honestly, he might be taking a limo to get there. There's like this special promotion where you get a free limo pickup.
Wait.
What was that?
I have an idea.
You have an idea?
Motherfucker. Oh, I thought it was a fake pocket again. This is great. This is a good fit, right? That's good.
Look at the fuck. Well, okay, rich guy. Damn, Zam Zaddy.
I just like the smell.
Yeah. Dirty dollars. So have you ever gone to a lap dance before?
Nope.
Are you excited?
No, I mean.
From me, yes, but
yeah,
like
that doesn't count, right?
not quite. Your lap dances are special.
What?
Your lap dances are special.
My lap dances are special.
They really are.
Yeah, so like the lap dance that I'm about to get today is not gonna be as special.
Not quite.
And I'm not allowed to touch.
Well, it depends on the girl. I don't know.
That's like, yeah, the big tease, I guess. It depends on the girl, yeah, of course. Like maybe I don't even want to touch her. I guess that's not what you meant.
I mean, if you wouldn't want to touch her, I would probably say then don't get a lap dance with me.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like maybe I get tricked into getting one with people that I don't even want one to. But like,
you gotta be strong.
Of course. Otherwise, this money's gonna be gone in a second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally.
It's tricky because it's Tuesday. It's $2 drink Tuesday.
$2 Tuesday.
Oh, that's what it's called.
Yep.
Everything $2.
No, just the drinks.
That's a shame.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, so I want to know, like, what is your type of girl? Because we have, like, all types at the club, right? There's, like, big booty bitches and slim bitches and blondes and redheads and white and black and Asian and, like, big fake tits. Like, I don't know, like.
Talk about all these options. This is great. It's like, this is like fucking From Dusk Till Dawn. It's like, yellow pussy, black pussy. You don't know this?
No.
Oh, no.
I know. I don't watch movies,
This is
guys.
cheats. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. You didn't prepare me for this question. You did not say anything.
I just thought about it.
It's like, yeah. Like,
what kind of
what
booty do you
what
like?
kind of booty do you like? Okay. So.
What's your type?
I'm gonna find out tonight, I'm sure.
Good answer.
I think like I never had this many like girls in a row to really like compare with each other in real life. Now I know what my type is for sure, but like I don't think I have like one type of like this type of hair or this type of skin color or like, but you could say like I like a good booty, you know.
He's an ass man.
I am, so like yeah, like not too large, you know.
What do you feel about fake asses?
Yeah, I couldn't care much for them, you know, but like
have you ever touched one?
No. Yeah.
I don't know why. I kind of want you to touch a fake ass.
Really?
Like,
yeah. Well, you know, out of just like science, like
an experiment.
It's just an experiment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like here's $40. I want to touch your fake ass.
Basically.
I don't know if I want to pay $40 for that though.
Maybe if there's a girl on stage, like she'll let you smack her ass if you're
it's a real
tipping.
ass though, that's a different story.
Right.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
I mean,
so he likes real booty.
Yeah.
Noted.
Yeah. I guess, but like to be fair, yeah, he said like I haven't never touched one, so.
And it's really cool because like so for one song it's $40, and out of that $40 I get $30. You know, so like if you get any lap dances with me, you're like we're only paying $10.
Yeah, so we're just having fun at the club, you know, like we have to pay the security a tip or something. Like,
but no, I
can
really
still
want to
not touch you.
You have to touch me because
okay.
husband, so
no,
like,
I'm not sure. Maybe like because
has
they check the cameras, you could lose your job.
I mean, no, you're allowed to touch.
Oh, okay.
But like only if I say that you are. But
yeah,
I would really love to like give you a lap dance with another girl.
Because this is just the thing. Like I don't know if there's rules like between like you just get a dance or you get like a VIP. Like in a VIP also like it just depends on
the girl
who it is obviously or you know. But yeah, I don't know. I somehow thought that like a dance is just a dance. You're just supposed to keep your hands to yourself, right? And
like I said, it depends, you know. And if like let's say like you're really vibing with the girl and she's like feeling your energy and she's like, oh my god, I want you to touch my tits right now. Then like fucking do it.
I'm not gonna ask again.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, well,
and also like I don't know, it's gonna be fun to give you a dance like with another girl.
Well, I'm looking forward to this.
It's gonna be fun, especially if she's hot. So like I don't know, you pick your favorite.
If she's hot.
Only if she's
Sorry,
hot.
what?
Yeah. Only if
but
she's hot.
especially because she's gonna be hot. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
That's gonna be fucking fun.
Yeah, of course. Especially if she's hot for you, if that's what you meant. Because like, if you think she's hot, then it's gonna be more fun for me as well. If it's just like, oh no, I want that girl, but like you don't vibe with her, then also it's not, you know, your chemistry with her
you're
needs
kind
to
of
be good.
You're kind of like being my wingman then. Like, I find a girl that I like, and I'm like, hey, the three of us.
Right now, you can totally set that up way easier.
Fuck yeah.
You just say like, you know, you can just totally use me as
a customer. Oh, I have this guy who wants to dance
but you
with the
can
both
pick
of
the girl,
us, but it's
exactly,
me.
and then you just say like, okay, we're going.
Fucking genius.
Perfect.
I like the way you think. I'm excited for you to see me on stage. Like, for me to literally have my ass like in your face. It's gonna be fun. I mean, you see it all the time.
Yeah, but
like,
with lights, you know, and
with
like
lights, with like other
the whole
people
setting.
on
Yeah,
the
it's gonna be
stage
fun.
throwing money at me
exactly.
too.
Just like you in your element. Like, I hope it's gonna shower with fucking dollar bills.
I hope so too.
Well, you know, I'm sitting here. I got a few.
You got yes.
I know you want me to spend it on other people.
I'll give you some ones to throw for me though.
Well, there.
I guess I already did.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna make a video after we get back from the strip club, letting you know how it went. But for now, no, that's all.
That's it.
I don't know.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes.
I'm excited. So.
Strip club.
Woo!
Can you like smack my ass with this?
No,
Ah, that
apparently
was
not.
my pussy. One more time.
I got busted for that.
Thank
The
you.
whole thing came off.
Oh no.
I lost my condom.
What?
Shit.
This is like the bloopers.
You know how hard it is to put like a condom that fell off like on again?
Is it hard?
Yeah, of course.
I never.
Well, you don't know how condoms work.
I don't.
Well, we never use condoms, have we?
No. Your dick's too big.
Camera's still on.
Oh yeah.